I don't need to clamp it down. I don't need to double check it. I know because these are calibrated that I'm going to get that exact 24-inch rip. Today is your lucky day. TSO is having their St. Patrick's Day sale. Their precision woodworking tools are 10% off with a free shipping deal for those in the continental United States, and also 5% off their UJK tools. That is from today until Monday. I'll put my TSO affiliate link in the description of this video down below. I said that TSO was precision woodworking tools, but now let me show you what I'm talking about. Ripping plywood. This is a task not for any table saw unless you are a fortunate shop that has a sliding table saw. Any table saw of any size where you have to push the material through the saw is the wrong saw to break down plywood. You want to break down the plywood perfectly straight and parallel every time. Particularly if you're a box builder, you know, like a cabinet maker, you need lots of pieces that are exactly the same width and length. And a track saw is a way to do that. The problem with any track saw on the market is you are left to measure with your tape, make a mark on both ends, line up your track, make the cut, and then repeat. No matter how good you are, no matter how careful you are, it's not going to be accurate enough to build cabinets over and over. TSO created parallel guides. I don't believe there's another product on the market that's even a close second. They're in metric as well as standard or imperial. No tape measure, no pencil, no tools to attach the parallel guides. I just friction fit them on and dial in the width of the rip that I want. The stops have a pointer so you don't have to worry about parallax error. Move it over your mark until you see the white laser etched line disappear, pull it back, and then lock it in. Repeat on the other side. These are flip stops. Push them down so they'll butt into the plywood. I don't need to clamp it down. I don't need to double check it. I know because these are calibrated that I'm going to get that exact 24-inch rip. And now that I've got them dialed in for my rip, I can pop them off the track. Again, no tools. Slip it out of my way, take this piece away, bring in the next piece. Reset, and I'm ready to rip. With the engineering, the quality, and the precision of TSO, I am able to be as productive and accurate with my portable wood shop as I would be with a big fixed space wood shop and sliding table saws. If you want to up your game with TSO precision, then be sure to take advantage of the St. Patrick's Day sale. Mahalo.